Raspberry soufflé, the #1 show-off dessert. Now, the secret with the soufflé is in the jam. Hot pan, sugar, raspberries, vanilla. As the sugar comes up to the boil, turn the gas down and just let that cook out. The jam is nice and rich, but more importantly, we want to get rid of the seeds, but we want to push all that jam through the sieve. Into the fridge, cool it down. Pastry cream. Cream and milk into the pan. Bring that up to the boil. Egg yolks, sugar, beat, flour. That helps to thicken the pastry cream. Mix. You want that really nice, smooth texture. The cream and milk come up to the boil. This is where it gets really exciting. Whisk that up and then put your custard back in to the pan. As you cook it out, it gets nice and thick. That's it. Into a bowl. Mix. Into the fridge and cool the pastry cream down. Now buttering the moulds for the soufflé. Butter, chocolate, and then just twist the mould. Right, jam's cooled down, pastry cream's cooled down. Add the jam to the pastry cream. Mix. So it's nice and smooth. Rest. Egg whites. Whisk. Sugar. Egg whites out. Mix. Raspberries into a bowl. Raspberry liqueur. Marinated raspberries at the bottom of the soufflé. Amaretti biscuits. That helps to absorb the alcohol. One nice scoop in. And bang down. That evenly places all the mixture throughout the raspberries and the biscuit. And just run a little circle around the mould. That helps the soufflé to rise. Into the oven, 190 degrees. 10 minutes. Ice and sugar. That has to be the perfect way of showing off at a dinner party. Fucking beautiful. Raspberry soufflé, done.